In 2010, the world held its breath as 33 miners became trapped underground in Chile's San Jose mine, buried 2,300 feet below the surface. For 17 days, no one knew if they were alive. They were confined to a small space with soaring temperatures and minimal food supplies. Water was collected from radiators, and hope dwindled as they survived on just a spoonful of food and a sip of milk per day. Above ground, frantic efforts to locate them were underway. On the 17th day, a drill reached their refuge, revealing they were alive. The discovery triggered a massive international rescue operation to pull each miner to safety in a custom-designed capsule, the Phoenix. For 69 days underground, they formed a strict routine to maintain order and morale while battling hunger, fear, and isolation. On October 13, 2010, the first miner emerged into daylight. Over the next 22 hours, all 33 miners were rescued. Their rescue inspired a world that watched in awe as hope triumphed over despair. How far would you go to survive?